Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I've been looking for a phone mount for my car for such a long time, and I wanted one that would be strong enough that I wouldn't have to worry about it falling, but that I can move around if I needed to. This magic mount from Scosche is so perfect. It is exactly what I was looking for. I love how easy it is to install. It is so simple. The instructions are super straightforward and really helpful. They even have a QR code in the instructions that you can scan to show you a video of how to install properly, which is really cool. I was blown away by how strong this mount is. I had this attached to my window and I was basically pulling as hard as I possibly could and it did not budge. I really like that in the instructions it told me where to put the magnetic plate on my phone because I absolutely would have put it in the wrong spot if it were not for these instructions. If you need a new phone mount for your car and you want something super strong that you can rely on, I highly recommend this one from Scosche. We love it and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.